And I'm going to do the condensed glue gels and floating on the top with the top coat. And then place all the crystals, any charm chains, beads you would like, and keep for 60 seconds. And then we're going to use precision glue gel to double secure all your crystals and keep it in one place. So let's get started with the condensed glue gel. If you love your crystal placement and you love wearing it so much and it looks so cute in like a couple times you do, and then it just gradually is popping up and falling up, crystal trifecta is going to back up every single time. If you asking me what do you get, you want to get it one item from Glitz, definitely I would highly recommend this crystal trifecta, because this will definitely is not only help all the crystals stay on, but then also it gives you so much confidence, and your clients is confident and trust you sitting on your chair. So I am applying one good layer, not too thick, not too thin. Too thick is going to flood your crystal. Too thin is going to not adhere your crystal properly. So I'm gonna shiny on this part by floating the no wipe top coat between the no wipe top coat and condensed glue gel. It will grab all of your crystals and suck it in one place. So there's so many different cool ideas. I'm gonna pick this one right here, and then the other one we did, you can like bling it out on this one.
Savina nails. The sugar we use is Glitz sugar glitter. It says Snow White. So you're gonna look for Snow White glitter on our website at glitzsuccessandsuch.com.
Yes, if you go into sugar, I think sugar glitter.
Oh,
dramatic glitter. I'm sorry. A dramatic glitter category, you can find that sugar glitter. You can get like the smaller jars or the bigger jars. Oh, I love this one. Okay, so I am using the mix bags from January sub box. I'm gonna do a little bit. So remember this one I was go along the edges of the sword, but this one I'm gonna do opposite. So then give you some ideas of, you know, which one you prefer. You can do however you want. I'm gonna give you a couple of different ideas. Okay. I'm gonna get this one there. And then continue. If you want to kind of place all the crystal along with the nails, you can. If you don't want it, you can just leave it alone. I think it looks cute, but you can continue doing it until you are completely sealed